Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable the tablet mode on your HP ENVY X360. So on Windows 11 there is no way of doing that because there is no actual tablet mode. The only thing that changes when you use it in tablet mode, so the display is flipped 360 degrees, is that the taskbar changes. So if you want to disable that change, go to the settings, then go to, I'm gonna just search for it, then click on optimize taskbar for touch when a device is not used as a tablet, and now I can enable that. So it is optimized for touch. You can see now it's hidden. When I slide it up, it has bigger icons, etc. Or I can disable that, so it will be the standard taskbar. And this is basically it. If you for some reason still have Windows 10, then you can actually exit the tablet mode by clicking on the date and time. Then you have a few tiles here. You can click on expand to see more, and then click on tablet mode. You can click on that to disable or enable it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.